Welcome to our final episode of Gore's modeling mini-series. Today we're talking about something that seems small but has a massive impact: vent placement. Vineet, why is this such a crucial factor?
So vent placement is critical because it impacts how well the battery can expel the moisture and prevent contamination. So if the vent is placed in an area of low airflow, for example, the moisture gets trapped inside the battery pack and it can build over time. It could then lead to corrosion, electronic failures, short circuits, and thermal runaway. Moisture transport is dependent not only on the airflow but also diffusion, as we saw previously, and diffusion is highly dependent on the distance. You can imagine that these battery packs are extremely complicated from the inside. So this diffusion becomes all the more important. Now you have to minimize the diffusion distance to be able to get the moisture out of the battery packs.
Can you walk us through a real-world case where vent placement played a major role?
Absolutely. So one of our customers, an OEM, was experiencing unexpected condensation issues in their battery packs, even though they had a vent installed. We did a detailed analysis with their engineering team, and we did our models to simulate different scenarios to figure out the problem was indeed because of moisture buildup and condensation that was happening inside the battery pack. So we were able to replicate their problem first. Then we found out that the vent location was limiting the airflow and trapping the moisture in specific areas.
What solution did Gore even provide?
Based off the simulations, we recommended moving the vents from the existing locations to locations closer to moisture buildup, and that helped with moisture removal. We were able to provide all this based off simulation in a matter of weeks, and it basically helped our customers expediting the process and reducing the time and costs involved in testing.
That's incredible. So even minor adjustments like placement can have a huge impact.
Exactly. That is why simulation is so powerful. It allows us to anticipate issues even before it happens and optimize venting strategies before the product hits the market.
Fantastic, Vineet. This brings us to the end of our mini-series on Gore's unique modeling approach. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise and walking us through these fantastic case studies.
It's been a pleasure, Hillary. I hope this series had helped our audience understand how Gore's advanced modeling capabilities can help speed up the battery design process and reduce TCO, ultimately improving life.
And thank you to all our viewers for tuning in. Be sure to follow us for more industry insights, and until next time.